This is how you're going to start working out and actually build the habit and actually be consistent. This is coming from somebody who used to make a lot of excuses. So we're going to be going over all the excuses that you use. We're going to be going over finding your why, finding your how, and I even have a free workout program that you can use to follow so you have no excuses. Let's jump right into it. First order of business, you need to address all your shitty excuses. I don't have time. I don't have a coach. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to wear. I'm not an athlete, blah, 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 blah. These are all bullshit excuses. And I say they're bullshit excuses because you can go walk up to somebody on the side of the street and ask them why they're not working out, and they will list all those same excuses. They are regurgitated over and over again by people who just make excuses. And I've made a lot of these excuses as well. I've made the excuse that I don't have time. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have anything to wear. I've said the same shit. So I know that you've probably also said the same shit too. Write down all your excuses onto a piece of paper. The same ones that I'm just listing right now. Write down whatever other excuses you have and look how silly and stupid they actually are. One of my favorite ones that I used to always say is, I'm tired. I'll go next week. I'll go in a couple days. I'll go when I'm not sore. All bullshit excuses. Second step to building this habit of going to the gym consistently is finding your why. Why do you want to go to the gym consistently? Why do you want to lose weight? Why do you want to build this habit of going to the gym? And be honest. You don't have to shy away from saying, I want to look good in a dress. I want to look good in a bikini. I want this to look that way. I want to be buff. List your why of why you want to go to the gym and why you want to be healthy. You can say to lose weight, to look better, to feel better. All these are great reasons as to why you should be building this habit to go to the gym. It's not shallow. It's not weird to say these things. It's completely normal to use these as your why of why you are trying to build the habit of going to the gym. Connecting emotionally to your why will make you feel more compelled to actually stick to the gym. If you just mindlessly go work out and go when you feel like it and go when you feel like you have time, you don't actually have like an end goal or a big reason as to why you're doing it. Another big reason is to live longer. I know a lot of people who are super overweight, they decide, I want to live longer and be here with my kids. That is a great reason as to why you were trying to build this habit of going to the gym. So now that we have the why, let's talk about the how. And that's kind of the really big step of this whole thing. How are you going to make this a habit? How are you going to work out? How are you going to make time for these things? Step one is going to be creating a plan. Pick the days and the times that you can work out. Pick the frequency that you want to work out. Everyone has completely different life schedules, but I know that everybody has 30 minutes to an hour to get some sort of movement in. I think a 4-day split is a great way to start for any beginner or really anybody who's trying to get back into the gym and just be consistent. The point is to be consistent. So if I say pick a 4-day split, pick 4 days where it is absolutely non-negotiable for you to go to the gym. Pick 4 times of those days that's absolutely non-negotiable and stick to it. Everyone's schedule is completely different. Some people, they have to go at like noon. Some people have to go after work. Some people have to force themselves to go before work. But regardless, you are going to prioritize the time that you decided on. This is why creating a plan is so important. When you're trying to build consistency and discipline to go to the gym, you don't just like aimlessly make a plan and decide, I'm going to go Monday, maybe, sort of. I'm going to go Wednesday sometimes. No, you make a whole plan, week by week basis, monthly basis of when you are going to go to the gym and you stick to it. Make it a challenge for yourself. You could even create a little jar in your house. If you skip the gym, you literally have to put money into the jar, basically paying for you skipping the gym. Or sometimes a lot of people do get trainers because they have to pay the trainer, and if they don't show up, they don't get a refund. That's another great way to make sure that you are consistent and accountable. It's not for everybody. Obviously, you need to have the money, but it's a good tip if you do decide to get a trainer. But regardless, stick to the plan that you wrote down and stick to the promise that you made for yourself. A few little tips that I have to stick to this plan is have your gym clothes ready the night before, the day before, whatever, and have them in a bag or by the door. Have them ready so you have no excuse as to, oh, I don't have my shoes. I don't have the right outfit. Da, da, da. Have your clothes ready the day before. Another really good tip if you are trying to prioritize the gym and make it a habit is having a gym that's convenient for you and that fits into your schedule. You could get a gym that's 30 minutes away. I have one that's 17 minutes away that I go to, but I know that I'm going to be going regardless. Pick one that's like 5 minutes from you and go there no matter what. Because now you can't say, oh, there's traffic. You want to make this as easy for you as possible, especially when you're building new habits. You want to make it so that there's literally zero excuses, zero room for excuses when you are making these new habits. The next step is having your workout plan. So a second ago, I did mention having a 4-day split. I do actually have a free workout program that's a 4-day split. I have all the videos on my YouTube. All of it's for free. So you have, again, no excuses to not know what you're doing. Having a simple and effective workout routine is super key if you are trying to build the habit of going to the gym. You don't want to have this elaborate workout routine where you do full body 5 days a week and you literally can't remember what you're doing. Simplify your workout routines so that you have no excuses and then you don't show up to the gym thinking, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna leave. Simplify it. So the free 4-day split that I have, it's legs one day, next day it's push, legs again, next day it's pull. Push meaning shoulders and chest, pull meaning back and biceps. It is very simple. Everybody can follow this routine, so there's really no reason to say like, I don't know what I'm doing. These are all really simple basic movements that I have in these free workout programs, and I have the videos for it, so you can just watch them. The reason you want to focus on all these basic movements and these basic workout routines, just become consistent with it, is so that you can become a pro at a lot of the basic movements. If you overcomplicate your workouts, you're probably not going to end up doing them. If I'm going to be completely honest with you, the free 4-day workout split that I have is literally 4 exercises per day. So there's really no way that you're not going to have time. There's really no way that you're not going to understand all of it. They're really simple workouts, and I know that anybody can do them. So your excuse that, oh, I don't know how to do any of this, it ain't gonna fly around here. It ain't gonna fly around here. So now that you've addressed your excuses, you've found your why, and you understand your how, it is time to execute. Consistency is key here. We are just trying to build the discipline of you showing up for yourself on the days that you said that you were gonna show up for yourself. You said you were gonna work out on Monday at 2 o'clock. You need to be there Monday at 2 o'clock. You said Tuesday you were gonna hit legs at 2 o'clock. You need to hit legs at 2 o'clock. So there's literally no room for questions or errors if you just follow your plan and execute it. Some weeks you might have a really good workout. The next week it might be a terrible back day, and that's literally fine. That is normal. Every single workout isn't going to be the best. The point is that you are building the consistency of showing up for yourself, because nobody else is going to do the work for you. If you have any more questions about building consistency or building discipline or just any general workout questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I would gladly answer them. And don't forget to check out all those free workout videos that I keep mentioning, and I have the free workout plan. It is right there for free. You don't need anything else but this 4-day split to start out. It is that simple. So my name is Adalisa. If you liked today's video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here every week with a new video, and I'm also here with the podcast every single week. I definitely would like if you join this infinitely balanced journey with me.